Jai Hind, dear children. Welcome in your maths live class. In today's class, we will start from question number 7 till question number 11 of exercise 15D. Okay. So now, let's see what are the questions and then we will do it one by one. So for that, let's see first question of today's class, that is question number 7. The length of sides of some triangles are given below. Which of them are right triangle? What is this question, children? We are having some length of triangles. Okay, like in one triangle, if these are the length, they are asking whether it is a right triangle or not. They have not given us that one of the angle is this, one of the angle is this, and one of the angle, and then find whether it is a right angle triangle. They have given us the sides, children. Okay, उन्होंने हमें क्या दिया है? They have given us the side. A triangle is having 3 sides, so they have given the sides. Question number 7. Question number 7. What they have given to us, that there are some sides, 3 sides of a triangle, and they are asking on the basis of that side. They are asking that whether it is a right angle triangle or not. So what we will do? We will apply our brain. We know that if it is a right angle triangle, then obviously it will satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular ka square plus its base ka square. Okay, or the length of the squares of its leg. So let's see the question. Question number 7, first part. Side A is given as 15 centimeter. Side B is given as, children, 20 centimeter, and side C is given as, one more side is given as 25 centimeter, children. Okay, 3 sides are given to us. See, side A, B and C. And now they are asking that whether it is a right angle triangle or not. Okay? Now, what we can do? We know that hypotenuse ka square is equal to perpendicular ka square plus base ka square. Using Pythagoras theorem, you can write it also here. You can write the reason. Using Pythagoras theorem, we know that h square is equal to perpendicular का square plus base का square. ठीक है, ये हम लिख सकते हैं, हम जानते हैं कि if it is a right angle triangle whose length is, one of the length is 15, one of the length is 20 centimeter and one of the length is 25 centimeter, then it will satisfy this always. अगर ये right angle triangle के length है तो it will satisfy this Pythagoras theorem. Now from which we will consider that what is hypotenuse, what is perpendicular and what is base. हम ये कैसे define करेंगे? So I told you earlier that the longest side, which one is the longest? 25 centimeter. C is the longest. The longest side of a right angle triangle is its hypotenuse. So hypotenuse की जगह हम क्या रख देंगे बेटा? Longest side 25 का square. 25 centimeter is the hypotenuse and its square. So ऐसे. ठीक है? And what is perpendicular and what is the base? It may be anyone. The rest of the two length are called as legs. क्या कहा जाता है? Legs. अगर एक right angle triangle है तो ये legs कहा जाता है, either perpendicular और base. And ये इसका hypotenuse हो गया क्योंकि ये opposite है उसके और longest side है. ठीक है? So legs may be anyone. कुछ भी आप ले सकते हैं, perpendicular और base. So I am taking it as perpendicular, उसका square plus base. Base is 20 centimeter and उसका square. Now we will prove that if they are equal, then this particular given length triangle is a right angle triangle. So 25 square is 25 into 25. 25 square क्या होता है? 25 into 25 and it is 625. If you will find the square of 25 na, it will come as 625. 15 square is 15 into 15. 15 square is ये 15 square लिखा है, इसका मतलब क्या है? 15 into 15, and when you will simplify it, it will be 225. क्या आएगा ये 225, and 20 square is 20 into 20, that is 400. Children, add them. 400 and 5 6 625, and on this side also it is 625. So it means what? Hence it is satisfying the Pythagoras theorem. Hence the given length satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. That is why it is a right angle. This length is of right angle triangle. ठीक है, ऐसे आप लिखेंगे. As it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे because it satisfies the Pythagoras, because these given length satisfy the Pythagoras theorem, then it means that the particular triangle is having such sides is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now see the next question. Now after first third part, 10 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 26 centimeter. Let me write down, and you write down in your notebook, children. Write down in your notebook. I am going to write here what is A, what is B and what is C. All are in centimeter. 10 centimeter, 24, 10 centimeter, 24 and 26. 10 centimeter, 24 and 26 centimeter. Three sides are given. Now see. चलिए करते हैं, ठीक है. So if it is a these are the sides of a right angle triangle, then it will satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So हम यहाँ पे लिख देंगे by using Pythagoras theorem. Let's put the value. Hypotenuse will be the longest side. Which is the longest? 10, 24 or 26? 26 is the longest side. So 26 का square. 26 square is equal to perpendicular 10 plus base 24. Okay. 10 square. 10 tens are 100. 10 tens are 100. And 24 square is 24 into 24, that is 576. And 26 square is 676. 26 square क्या होता है? 676. So now add them, children. Which one? These two. So you will get 676. Yes, this is also satisfying. ये भी LHS is equal to RHS आ रहा है. Means satisfying this. Satisfying the Pythagoras theorem. It means the given length will definitely make a right angle triangle. This given length 10, 24 and 26 centimeter will definitely make a right angle triangle where hypotenuse will be this and the perpendicular or base may be one of these. Okay, legs ये रहेंगे. So hence it is a right angle triangle. ऐसे पूरा लिखेंगे आप. After this write down the statement, because if you will write this much only, na, it will not clear the answer. So you have to write down in statement form also. Now children, let's see the next question. Question number 8. Okay, I will explain it. Question number 8. In a triangle ABC, angle B is 35, angle C is 55. So you have to which one of the following is true. So children, 55 plus 35. Come on. 55 plus 35 is, this one is, come on children, 60, and then 90. Both the sum is 90. So angle A will also be 90 degree. Angle A, after finding by using the angle sum property of triangle, angle A will be 90 degree. ठीक है, 180 में से हम इन 55 और 35 को subtract कर देंगे, sum को subtract कर देंगे. Now if angle A is 90 degree, hypotenuse will be BC. If angle A is 90 degree, hypotenuse will be BC. Okay, so hypotenuse BC का square, third one is the right answer, children. Third one is the right answer. The hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the other two sides का square. Okay, now let's move to question number 9. Quickly draw the diagram. Now children, draw the diagram. Question number 9 diagram. ABC, they have drawn it already in front of your book. You can see that there is a triangle ABC they have drawn. Actually the question is something different, but it will convert it into triangle. That's why they have given us an idea how to draw the diagram. I am also drawing it, children. Okay, I hope you all have completed the diagram. A 15-meter long ladder सीढ़ी बेटा, ठीक है. A 15-meter long ladder is placed against a wall to reach a window 12 meter high. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. Now children, if you will see the previous one, let me show you. Previous one, this one. Are you able to see this diagram? Yes? Okay. In this the a ladder is there against the wall, है, and the height of ladder they are asking. See, if you will see this diagram, from this diagram we have to find the height of the ladder. But in our question, the same diagram will be there. Ladder is placed against a wall. एक वॉल के किनारे ladder को खड़ा किया गया. Ladder is placed against a wall. But the ladder height is also given, and the height of the window from the base is also given. Window आपका base से कितने ऊंचाई पर है ये भी दिया गया है. Only they are asking that what is the distance of ladder from the wall. जो यहाँ 12 feet दिख रहा है ना बेटा, वो आपसे पूछा गया है. Okay, so now see your diagram. See your diagram, children. Let me show you your diagram. Diagram is question number 11. Okay, question number 9. Sorry, question number 9. Now let's come to the class. Okay, this is a wall. ठीक है, ये wall है. This is a wall and the window is here. The wall, if this is a wall, the window is here. The window is here, children, and the ladder is placed against this wall. Ladder height is given 15 meter. Ladder की height दी हुई है 15 meter. From base to window, ये wall है पूरा, यहाँ पे एक window है बेटा, इसकी भी height दे रखी है 12 meter. They ask from us that what is the distance of this ladder foot and the wall foot. वॉल का जो फुट है, जो नीचे का प्लेस्ड है एरिया, ठीक है, वहां से और लेडर का जो फुट है उसके बीच की डिस्टेंस कितनी है, दिस दे आर आस्किंग. सो डेफिनेटली इफ इट इज अ वॉल इट विल मेक अ 90 डिग्री. स्ट्रेट रहेगा ना वॉल टिल्टेड तो रहेगा नहीं, इट विल बी अ स्ट्रेट. सो इफ इट इज अ वॉल, यस इट इज अ वॉल वेयर द विंडो इज हेयर, वन विंडो इज हेयर फ्रॉम बॉटम टू द टॉप. 12 मीटर के ऊपर विंडो बनी हुई है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ तक हमारा एक लेडर जा रहा है उस विंडो तक, एंड दैट लेडर हाइट इज ऑल्सो गिवन. सो कैन वी फाइंड दिस if it is making a right angle triangle? Yes, we can find it by using the Pythagoras theorem. We are having two sides, we can find this third one. Actually में ये triangle नहीं है, it is an application based question, but we can apply it. We can apply it and we will apply it because we have learned that if there is anything which is making a 90 degree and one more side is given, we can find the third side. Now question number 9. It is question number 9. Given height of ladder लिख लो and height of window from the wall. Height of window from the base of the wall is 12 meter. और ladder की height लिख लो बेटा. Ladder height is 15 meter and height of window, height of window from its base, from base. height of window तो नहीं कहेंगे, window की height नहीं पूछ रहे. प्लेस ऑफ विंडो फ्रॉम बेस, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं इसको, ठीक है। प्लेस ऑफ विंडो फ्रॉम बेस इज 12 मीटर. Now we have to find the distance between the foot of the wall and the foot of the ladder. So now using Pythagoras theorem, what we will find? We know that h square is equal to perpendicular का square plus base का square. h square, यहाँ पे h hypotenuse is 15 मीटर. क्यों है ये hypotenuse? It is opposite to 90 degree. अब यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ी लेंथ तो नहीं पता ना, because one length is unknown, but still ma'am is saying that this is hypotenuse. How? All the three sides are not given, and ma'am said that the highest side will be called as the hypotenuse, but तीसरी side तो दी ही नहीं है. But one more thing is that the opposite side of 90 degree is the hypotenuse. So ये hypotenuse ही है बेटा. So we will take it as 15 का square is equal to perpendicular 12 मीटर and base को x माना गया है यहाँ पे, x का square, ठीक है. 15 का square is 225 is equal to 12 का square is 144 plus x का square, ऐसे. Now next step, 225 minus 144 is equal to x का square. Separate the numbers on one side and constant on other side, ठीक है. Is it visible? Now subtract it. When you will subtract it, children, 225 minus 144, your answer will be 81. आंसर क्या आएगा? 81. 81 is equal to x square, or we can write it as or x square is equal to 81. But उन्होंने x square तो नहीं मांगा है हमसे. They are not asking what is x square. They are asking what is the x value, the length of from the foot of the wall to the foot of the ladder. So we need x only. तो x लाने के लिए x square अगर है तो क्या ये स्क्वायर टर्म में हम लिख सकते हैं? अगर yes तो yes, we can find it the value of x. 81 is 9 का स्क्वायर. 9 9s are 81, ठीक है. और फिर ये इक्वालिटी साइन है, that's why if it is an equality sign, the power is same, it means the base should also be same. इक्वालिटी साइन का मतलब LHS is equal to RHS, power is same 2, it means base should also be same. So x is equal to 9 क्या? सेंटीमीटर, ऐसे. So you will write your answer. Hence the distance from the foot of the wall to the foot of the ladder is 9 centimeter. In this way you can solve it. Satisfy, first of all put it in the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is 15. Why 15? Because it is opposite side of this right angle triangle. Now let's move with the next question, children. Next question is question number 10. A 5-meter long ladder, when set against the wall, a house reaches a height of 4.8 meter. How far is the foot of the ladder from the wall? Same question beta. It is also same question. Just draw the diagram based on question number 10 and then you can solve it. Okay. Now come to question number 11. Try to solve question number 10. Draw the diagram and then you can conclude that what you have to find. Same question which we have done right now, but a little bit different. So you have to draw the diagram first. Okay. Now question number 11. What is question number 11? Question number 11 is a tree is broken by the wind. A tree is broken by the wind. Let me. Yes. Okay. A tree is broken by a wind. Imagine a tree, children. Imagine a tree. A tree. Okay. It is broken by a wind. Okay. That tree is now broken by the wind. And I am having the question. So, if but does not separate. अ ट्री इज ब्रोकन बाय द विंड बट डज नॉट सेपरेट. वो ब्रोक तो हो गया है, टूट गया है ट्री, बट सेपरेट नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है, मीन्स ट्री इज देयर एंड इट इज ब्रोकन, टूट गया है वो, बट वो सेपरेट नहीं हुआ, उसका पार्ट उससे जुड़ा हुआ है बेटा. नाउ इफ द पॉइंट फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज ब्रेक इज 9 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड, अगर 9 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड से वो ब्रेक हुआ है ऐसे करके, सो एंड इट्स टॉप टचेज द ग्राउंड एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 12 मीटर फ्रॉम इट्स फुट, फाइंड आउट द टोटल हाइट ऑफ द ट्री बिफोर इट ब्रोक. उस ट्री की हाइट आपको पता करनी है और क्वेश्चन कुछ दिया गया है. ठीक है, सो लेट मी ड्रॉ द डायग्राम एंड यू ऑल्सो ड्रॉ इट इन योर नोटबुक. Now children, first of all draw a tree, half of the portion, and let it break it from 9 meter above the ground. Let it break it from 9 meter above the ground and its top touches the ground beta. उसका जो top है, top portion of the tree is now touches the ground, but still it is attached with that tree. The top is not separated. It's still the tree is attached. बस वो गिर गया है. ठीक है, इट्स ब्रोकन डाउन एंड इट इज नॉट सेपरेटेड एंड द ग्राउंड एंड इट्स टॉप टचेज द ग्राउंड एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 12 मीटर फ्रॉम इट्स फुट. अपने फुट से वो अपने फुट से कितने दूर गिरा है? 12 मीटर. ठीक है, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन एंड आई एम ड्रॉइंग द डायग्राम. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द डायग्राम. सी दिस चिल्ड्रन, वी आर हैविंग अ ट्री. पहले हमारे पास ट्री था, मान लो ये ट्री था ऐसे. ठीक है, और फिर इसके ऊपर और ये जाके और फिर ये ऐसे ऐसे था. ठीक है, दिस ट्री इज इन दिस वे. सी द ट्री इज इन दिस वे बट इट इज ब्रोकन फ्रॉम हेयर. इट इज ब्रोकन फ्रॉम हेयर एंड द डिस्टेंस इज 9 मीटर above the ground. From where it is broken? 9 मीटर above the ground. 9 मीटर above the ground. यहाँ से इसको ये टूट गया. It's broken down. It means this distance is 9 मीटर. This distance is 9 मीटर. ठीक है, and its top, ये top है ट्री का, tree top. Now it's broken now, that's why it is tilted. So the tree top is touches the ground. ट्री का जो टॉप है it touches the ground from at a distance of 12 मीटर from its foot. अपने फुट से, ये इसका फुट है, ट्री का फुट है. ठीक है, the tree top touches the ground at a distance of 12 मीटर from its foot. From its foot. So तो इसकी डिस्टेंस कितनी होगी बेटा? यहाँ से यहाँ तक की डिस्टेंस इज 12 मीटर. दिस डिस्टेंस इज 9 मीटर. ऑलरेडी उन्होंने बोला है कि जो ट्री ब्रोक हुआ है दैट इज 9 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड. द ट्री फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज ब्रोकन, द पॉइंट ऑफ ट्री वेयर इट इज ब्रोकन इज 9 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड. So now you can start doing. You can just imagine that why ma'am has drawn this diagram to show you the question. Now listen the question again. A tree is broken by a wind. ठीक है, but does not separate नहीं हुआ है, देख लो. ठीक है, if the point from where it breaks, ये point है. ठीक है, where it breaks is 9 meter above the ground. Is 9 meter above the ground. Ground से 9 meter above है ये point. ये 9 meter above the ground is now 9 meter above the ground. The ground and its top touches the ground and its top touches the ground. टच कर रहा है. ठीक है, गिर गया टॉप, यहाँ पे टच कर रहा है. ठीक है, from its foot at a distance of 12 meter from its foot. At a distance of 12 meter from its foot. अपने फुट से वो 12 मीटर के डिस्टेंस पे उसने ग्राउंड को टच किया है. किसने ग्राउंड को टच किया? उसके टॉप ने, ट्री के टॉप ने. ठीक है, फाइंड आउट द टोटल हाइट. टोटल हाइट बताना आपको, यानी आपको क्या बताना है? ट्री का टोटल हाइट कैसे आएगा? दिस प्लस दिस, ये पूरा, ये दिस विल बी द टोटल हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. टोटल हाइट ऑफ द ट्री क्या है? 9 मीटर प्लस दिस मच. बट हमें तो ये चीज पता ही नहीं है. सो कैन वी फाइंड? this we can find by using the Pythagoras theorem. कैसे Pythagoras theorem लगेगा बेटा? Because it is making a triangle. rough idea देखो, it is making a triangle. ऐसे एक triangle बना रहा है and it is 90 degree. ट्री आपका स्ट्रेट होता है, टिल्टेड थोड़ा सा कभी कभी कहते हैं लोग टिल्टेड है ये है वो, बट इमेजिन इट इज अ स्ट्रेट वन, स्ट्रेट है, ठीक है. सो हम इसको क्या मानेंगे? 90 डिग्री. ना दिस विल बी द हाइपोटेन्यूस ना, अपोजिट साइड ऑफ द 90 डिग्री. ये हो गया आपका हाइपोटेन्यूस हो जाएगा फिर यहाँ पे. सो लेट द, इसको आप x मान लो बेटा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक मान लो x है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Let the remaining height of tree is x. Let the remaining height of tree is x. ठीक है. And now using same way, using what? Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, हाइपोटेन्यूस का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बेस का परपेंडिकुलर का स्क्वायर प्लस बेस का स्क्वायर. हाइपोटेन्यूस का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर का स्क्वायर प्लस बेस का स्क्वायर. हाइपोटेन्यूस हमें नहीं पता जो x है, परपेंडिकुलर आप 9 ले लो, 9 मीटर का स्क्वायर प्लस 12 का स्क्वायर. ठीक है. सो इट विल बी हाउ मच? x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9 9 81 and 12 12 144. 12 12 144. Come on, solve this. 4 plus 1 5, 5 8 plus 4 12 and 1 plus 1 2, 222 x square. Now children, 225 is a square of any number. 225 is a square of which number? It is a square of 15. So x square is equal to 15 का स्क्वायर. 15 नहीं लिखेंगे, सिर्फ 15 का स्क्वायर. 15 स्क्वायर इज सेम एज 225. So instead of 225, your ma'am has written 15 का स्क्वायर. Why? You know it very well because we have to find the value of x, not x square. यहाँ पे तो x स्क्वायर है, तो हमको भी यहाँ पे कोई एक वैसी वैल्यू चाहिए जो स्क्वायर में हो ताकि हम इसको तुरंत रिलेट कर सकें. Otherwise you can find the square root. That is not in your syllabus. That is why I am not telling it to you. I am telling you the easier way. So x square is equal to 15 का square. 15 square is 225. So we can write it as 15 का square. Now equality sign है बेटा. So if the power is same, power is 2 2. Equality sign है, power is 2 2. So base should also be equal. So x is equal to 15. 15 क्या हो जाएगा? सेंटीमीटर. So is this is the height of the tree? Is this is the height of the tree? No. ये क्या निकला अभी आपका? ये broken part है. ये broken part निकला आपका. Now what is the height of the tree? This 9 plus 15 पूरा. Height of the tree before it broke. Broke होने से पहले क्या height थी उसकी? So 9 meter plus 15 meter. So now the height of tree is 9 plus 15. 9 meter plus 15 meter. That is 24 मीटर है बेटा. सेंटीमीटर लिख रही है मैम आपकी बार बार. It is in meter. It is in meter. It is also in meter. Everything will come in meter if the value is in meter. So the height of the tree is now 15 plus 9. Total add कर देंगे. 9 plus 15 meter. That is 24 meter. So in this way we can calculate it. क्या कहा गया था कि a tree है that is broken from a point which is 9 meter above the ground. 9 meter above the ground है वो, वहां से वो broke होके उसने ये ground को टच किया. और कहाँ टच किया? 12 मीटर फ्रॉम इट्स फुट. अपने फुट से वो 12 मीटर की दूरी पर गिर गया. ठीक है. It touches the ground from 12 meter above, far from its foot. So now what is the height of the tree? So height of the tree is this plus this length, but this length we don't know. So first we have to find this by using the Pythagoras theorem because we have applied it as, we have taken it as a right angle triangle. And now by using that 15 का 225 आया यहाँ पे. 15 का स्क्वायर होता है. 15 स्क्वायर is equal to x square. So x is equal to 15 meter. Now the total height of the tree is 9 plus 15. दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. This is the total height of the victory. So in this way you can calculate such questions, and it is very interesting, children. So I hope you will do it by your own. Okay, you will try to solve the questions which I am telling you by your own. Just listen it first, just see the explanation and do it with your hand. No need to copy it. Okay, till then children, take care.